the coaster has come to a complete stop and your lap bars have been released, please gather all personal belongings and exit to your left. We thank you for riding this. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Due to the approaching inclement weather, the Scorpion will be temporarily closed. We will not be able to estimate the length of our shutdown. If you wish to remain in the queue house, feel free to do so. Those of you wishing to exit, there are hosts and hostesses to assist you. Once again, we apologize for the inconvenience, but due to the approaching inclement weather, the Scorpion will be temporarily closed. Thank you for your cooperation. Your lap bars have been released. Please gather all personal belongings and exit to your left. We thank you for riding the Scorpion and hope that you'll enjoy the remainder of your stay here at Busch Gardens.